Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys gesture navigation setting, and today video title guys how to enable gesture navigation in Infinix mobile and how to use it. Friends, we want to use Infinix mobile phone gesture navigation settings, so how to use one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, in your Infinix mobile, friends, scroll it, and friends, click here Infinix mobile special or system setting first. After on system setting, friends, you can use phone language setting, date and time setting, reset option, backup setting, system navigation. Friends, click here system navigation, and friends, you want to use Infinix mobile gesture navigation. So friends, click here, and friends, you can turn on gesture navigation. After turn on, friends, how to use gesture setting you can see in this video. So friends, the right side if you swipe, and friends the left side, so you can use Infinix mobile phone gesture settings. And friends, you cannot use Infinix mobile 3 button navigation setting. So like that friends, we can turn on gesture settings, and friends we can use gesture settings in Infinix mobile. Friends, recent app you want to close, so I hold here, and friends you can close recent app. Example friends, you want Play Store, calculator, file app, setting app, camera app, gallery app, phone app. And friends, you want to check recent app, so friends click here, hold here, and you can check. You want to on any app, so you can on, and you want to close, so you can close. So like that friends, we can use gesture settings in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. I hope you understood how to use gesture setting, what is gesture setting, and how to use in Infinix mobile. Bye friends.